Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at May 2019 Pottstown Classic Car Club Cruise. People are just rolling in right now. Little Plymouth Duster. Sweet GTO. I'm going to pick it about a 66. I'm going to swing around for the Chevelle. Little Malibu, pardon me. Nice little Charger. A Sabre. That's about 62, 63. Might be earlier. Let's look at a flat top. If you've never seen these, by the way, this is interesting. This is really a cool GM. Early 60s, late 50s. Isn't that neat? Kind of cool. Give you an idea of what's happening over here. The show is really, really filled out nicely. Oh, look at this Land Rover!
Park anywhere?
I'm not sure. Look for anyone in a blue shirt with the Pottstown Classic Car Club. Another diesel! Another diesel, folks! Pontiac. Nice. I love the curb feelers. Look at this Chevy. Oh, that's beautiful. It's about 54, somewhere around there. Great.